hamstring stretch. We stretch these independently, so the knee, the foot is taken alongside the knee, doesn't need to go right up high into the groin because we're trying to keep the hips parallel. And then we're going to just check that the client's back is nice and straight. If your client has an issue with hamstring flexibility, they can stretch by just placing their hands just behind their back. For some people, that will be a sufficient hamstring stretch. What you're looking for is them to be able to maintain that nice upright posture with the legs straight out in front from the hip. If they're comfy in that position, they can bring both hands forward, place them onto the knee, so that they're still maintaining that good posture. And again, if that's a good stretch, that's as far as they need to go. If they are more flexible than that, the only thing they need to do is just bend the elbows in towards the thigh, keeping the head looking forward and just bending the elbows down towards the thigh. Again, the same technique for developing flexibility, just holding it for 10 to 15 seconds, moving into the new position, and then holding it for a further 10 to 15 seconds.